Hello guys, how are you? I hope you all will be fine. And today I'm going to tell you about all the important books which are being used for cracking SSC CGL examination. And I have also used this book for cracking my CDSC written examination 7 times. And these books are also useful for one-day examinations, particularly SSC, CGL and CDL. So let's proceed. First of all, I will discuss you about English. So the first book is by Neetu Singh, Volume 1 of KD publication. This book is important for the basic grammar part, which is have heavy weightage in our SSC examination. As you see, the grammar part is very vast in this, and the second part which is discussed in this book is vocabulary, and these vocabulary are the past year's vocabulary which are always asked in SSC CGL examination. So this book is for grammar and vocabulary part. I hope you watch this. And the second book is the same publication, KD publication by Neetu Singh, and in this is volume 2nd. As you see, this is volume 2nd, and in this book with vocab you got the practice things like closed test, unseen passage, all these things, closed test and idiom phrases, all the past year paper, some practice set, these are available in this, and this is just for practice purpose, so that you can get a good grip of what you study in volume 1st, and you will cover both this book because these are the basic things discussed in this book. And the third book is this book by MB publication. Writer is Ajay Kumar Singh sir. This is used by every CGL aspirant because in this book you got the past year paper of SSC examination. See, CGL, CPU, everything, so that you can get a good grip of what you studied from this. Once you go through this book, you should write and learn everything. The things will be in your tip because the questions are directly asked from this book, from previous year paper with a little bit change only. So this book is very important. Let's see, 1B publication. So, and one thing you must remind that you should not follow too many books, because if you are following too many books, you guys forget the main thing, because you have to retain these things and you have to produce in the examination. That is the only, because you have to get the job only. You need not to go for PhD in English, because I have seen many aspirants are busy in just collecting a book and they are book collectors. So refer 1 or 2 books only and learn them very deeply, because in SSC CGL 40% are question are asked from previous year. So you should know those questions, and on those questions, based on those questions, question is always asked. So don't waste your time. Be limited your source first of all. And the second subject is reasoning, which I prepared from this by Arun sir, because in reasoning is not that much tough for SSC CGL point of view, but in this you have seen that every chapter of reasoning is covered in this book. So whatever we need to crack SSC CGL reasoning portion, you will go through it, and if you found it less, I think you should buy other books of some objective books through which you can practice more questions. Otherwise, this is more than sufficient to crack the reasoning exam. And now the most important subject is mathematics. This is the chapter which will give you the selection, and this is the arithmetic part. Arithmetic book of Rakesh Yadav sir. See, the chapter discussed in this are only arithmetic portion. First you should cover this, because in this the question solution part is very good. You should follow those part and with that only you should crack the CGL examination, because by those tricks only you should save your time and complete the paper in time. So this is arithmetic. In this, little bit basic is also there, and after that number of questions are there. Like see, in percentage we see first chapter is percentage, total 136 questions are there. This is more than enough, and you should practice all this, and you know that if you cover these things, so you can easily go through that. And the second portion is advanced part of the mathematics, which you cover through this book, advanced book. In this, basic is also given in the front of the chapter, in the start of the chapter, and after that questions are there which are of required number, which we have to cover, and the topic covered are as follows. See which topic are covered in this. Just I think this is visible to you. Okay, and from these two books you have to make your basic. After that you should buy objective of same Rakesh Yadav sir objective book volume 1, so that you can practice those questions. And in this objective, the main thing is that the question are not in chapter, all chapter are there, but in those chapter question are not according to topic. That first question is different, second question is different, so that you could get actual practice of the examination, because in the examination every next question is different, so that you can get good preparation from this book. So that in this manner this book is very helpful. After that you have to buy any of the online mock test like textbook, Olive Board. I'm not advertising for those, but they are really good, and you should at least give 40 to 50 tests before going real examination, because before going to battlefield you have to practice in the real scenario also. Like in cricket, what we have seen before, in any one day international examination we have practice session in a real condition with ourselves. So that is very important part. Test series will play a key role. From there many questions are directly asked from your question. Past year papers are there, you should attempt that also, and you should really watch this, that the question asked in the examination are of ditto copy of that. Okay, and with that many students are confused with this book, Kiran's publication. In this book everything is good, but only the thing which I don't like is the solution part. Solution part is not that effective, that it is in a very solved in a very long method, and we need a very short method. Otherwise this book is good, because in this book you will find a sequence that in chapter type 1, type 2, type 3 is given any of the chapter, so that you cover all the topic, all the type, and you can easily know ki this chapter will cover. And if you are solving topic wise now, so it is comparatively easy to attempt every question, because same thing is repeating every time, same formula. But when these things are asked in examination, we can't able to do, because we haven't practice of that solving in a different manner. So I think in comparison to this Kiran book, you should go for Rakesh Yadav reader publication, Rakesh Yadav sir book, because now the level of examination is also increased. After you have watched the 2017 paper, you should know that what problem is there. And the fourth part is GS. I cover from this. In this every portion is there: history, economy, polity, every GS topic, science, physics, chemistry, bio, and computer, as you see the topic. And in this objective question is only there, you should do all the question, but it is difficult to learn this much question. So it is my advice to just learn this GS from some YouTube videos, and make your own notes. And after that, you should know that if you learn through story now, you will remember better and for longer time. And if you are going to, after that, if you attempt this now, this will be very helpful to you. So it is my advice to first refer some videos or just to some coaching for GSR, because after that it is very difficult. But as CGL point of view, if you are also preparing for civil services after that, so it is important. But if you are only going for CGL examination, so just learn, I think 40% of it, you will easily go through all the GS question. And I hope, and I will tell you, the real thing is that don't mix the preparation of SSC and banking, because you will attempt certain thing by preparing certain portion of any of the examination, but you will not get the seat, because in SSC CGL in 2000 general category inspector posts are there, and you understand that how competitive our examination are. So if you really want to become inspector, so try to focus on SSC CGL. And if you are going for bank PO, focus on that, because the practice is main thing. You have to cover that examination, so you have to practice according to that. Otherwise, I have seen people fail to select because of 0.5 marks and all this. So I think if you are focused on only one part, you will get the success very early, so that you can't waste your time. I hope you understand what I want to convey. Okay, bye bye. Thank you.